Bob Barrows with EFIDemolitionequipment.com. We have over 500 attachments in stock. We have hammers, concrete pulverizers, shears, screening crushing buckets. We make mounts in our mount shop. We do hydraulic service and repairs. We ship worldwide, and anything custom sticks you need made, we fabricate those also. Give us a call at 315-440-2762. Email endbar@mail.com. That's ENDBAR@mail.com. Our location, if you're welcome to come see these and test them on site with our excavators, is Endbar 6718 Richmond Hill Road, DeRuyter, New York 13052. Thank you.